trigonometric ratios corresponding special angles related table. So first trigonometric ratio angle and value 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. So these are the corresponding angles. Okay, now so first I want to leave this column first. So I want to divide 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Dividing 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. So 1 minus 0, 1 by 4. So first 0. Adding 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Again adding 1 by 4, 2 by 4. Again adding 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Again adding 1 by 4, 4 by 4. So I want to write this one in these boxes. First 0. Next 1 by 4. Next 2 by 4 we can write it as 1 by 2. Next 3 by 4. 4 by 4 we can write it as 1. Now I want to write the values sin theta. So if we write this one, we can easily write the table. So root of 0, if we are taking square roots, we will get the values. Root of 0, 0. Root of 1 by 4, root 1, 1, root 4, 2. Root 1, 1, root 2. Root 3, root 4, 2. Root 1, 1. So this is sin theta. Next, cos theta. If we are finding cos theta, I want to write in this order. So descending order. So first 1, this root 3 by 2. Next 1 by root 2. Next 1 by 2. Next 0. So this order if we write, we will get cos theta. Next tan theta. Tan theta equal to, so I want to divide sin by cos equal to tan. 0 by 1. 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Root 3 by 1. That is equal to root 3. Next 1 by 0. Something by 0 not exist. Infinity. So this is tan theta. Next we need to write cot theta. If we want to cot theta, we write this order. First infinity. Next root 3. Next 1. Next 1 by root 3. Next 0. So this is about cot theta. Next sec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So we are taking the reciprocals. 1 by 1, 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal. 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal. Root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2. 0 reciprocal not exist. Infinity. So next cosec theta. If we are finding cosec theta, so if we write in this order sec theta, we will get cosec theta. Infinity 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. So this is the trigonometric ratios table. So with the help of table, we can find the values of trigonometric ratios at corresponding angles. For example, sin 45. So this is 1 by root 2. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Cot 90 equal to 0. So sec 45 which is equal to 1 by root 2. Cosec 0 equal to infinity. So these all values we found already. We find these values in the previous class. Okay, so we need to remember this table. So this table is very, very important. So each and every value we need to know, we must know each and every value at the trigonometric ratio with the corresponding angle. Exercise 11.2. Evaluate the following. First question, first one, sin 45 plus cos 45. Sin 45 plus cos 45. So according to the table, sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. So this 2 we can write it as root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, root 4 equal to by root 2. One of the root 2 getting cancelled, the answer is root 2. So this is the value of sin 45 plus cos 45. Second, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. Sec 30 plus cosec 60. Okay. Cos 45 value is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Next, sec 30. If we need a sec 30, so which is already in table. So sec 30 value is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 value 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Sec 30 value 2 by root 3. Cosec 60. Cosec 60 is reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. This is also cosec 60 2 by root 3. Which is equal to 1 by root 2 by 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3, 4 by root 3 equal to 1 by root 2 into this denominator will be reciprocal root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 root 2. So this is the required answer. So we may rationalize the denominator or not. Next, third one is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cos 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. Okay, so now we simplify this one. Sin 30 value, if we observe the table, sin 30 value 1 by 2, tan 45 value 1, cosec 60 reciprocal of sin 60 minus 2 by root 3 by cos 45 1, cos 60 1 by 2, sec 30 minus 2 by root 3. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. So here numerator and denominator all are same, cancel, we will get 1. So this is the answer. Okay, next question number 4. So fourth question, 2 tan square 45, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30, cos square 30 minus sin square 60, sin square 60. So tan 45 whole square, tan square 45 is nothing but tan 45 whole square, 2 into tan 45 1 square plus cos 30, cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole square, sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 square 1 into 2, 2, root 3 square 3, 2 square 4 minus root 3 square 3, 2 square 4, 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel, we will get 2. This is the required result. Next, fifth, sec square 60, sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Sec 60. So if we are finding sec 60, that is equal to 2. So So in the table we are getting 60 value. If we observe, it is equal to 2. Tan 60 value root 3 whole square. Sin 30 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 2 square 4. Root 2 square getting cancelled 3 by 1 square 1 2 square 4 plus root 3 square 3 2 square 4. 4 minus 3 1. So denominator 4 1 plus 3 4 by 4 4 4 cancel. Answer is 1. Okay, next second question. Choose the right option. Choose the right option. Choose the right option and justify your choice. And justify your choice. So first one, 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 equal to first one sin 60, second cos 60, third tan 30, A, B, C tan 30, D sin 30. Sin 30. Okay, now so solution 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. 2 into tan 30 value 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan 45 value 1 square. 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square. 1 square equal to 2. 1 plus 1 equal to. So 2 by root 3 into, this is reciprocal 1 by 2. 2 cancel, we will get 1 by root 3. Okay, if we observe the answers, sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2, tan 30 value 1 by root 3, sin 30 1 by 2. So answer is tan 30. Okay, next second one is 1 minus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 plus tan square 45. Okay, A tan 90, B 1, C sin 45, D 0. Okay, so now coming to the solution. Solution 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus tan 45 1 square by 1 plus tan 45 1 square. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. 0 by 2 equal to 0. So this is the required answer. Next, third one is third one 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 minus tan square 30. Okay, so 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. Options A, option A cos 60, option B sin 60, option C tan 60, option D sin 30. Okay, so coming to the solution, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 equal to into tan 30 value 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So here square whole square. 2 by root 3 by 1 minus. So 1 by 3. 1 square 1 root 3 square 3 equal to 2 by root 3. 3 into 1 3 minus 1 2 by 3 equal to 2 by root 3 into, this will be reciprocal 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Root 3 I am writing it as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, we will get root 3. So this root 3 cos 60 value not root 3, this is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Tan 60 root 3. So answer is tan 60. Okay. Next, so we will discuss the seventh question. Seventh. Is it right to say that? Is it right to say that sin of a plus b equal to sin of a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay. So is it right to say sin of a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b? Okay. Sin of a plus b, sin a plus sin b. Is it possible or not? So I want to take with example. So example I am taking a equal to 30 degrees, b equal to 60 degrees I am taking. Angle a 30, angle b equal to 60. A plus b equal to 90 degrees. 30 plus 60 equal to 90 degrees. Sin a equal to sin 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin b equal to sin 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Sin of a plus b equal to sin 90. Sin 90 value 1. Sin a plus sin b equal to sin a 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So it is not equal to 1. 1 plus root 3 by 2 not equal to 1. So therefore sin of a plus b not equal to sin a plus sin b. So if this condition is if it is true, it must satisfy for all angles, but it is not satisfying for this angles. So this is the counter example. That's why sin of a plus b is not equal to. Trigonometry exercise 11.2 third question. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Sin 30 cos 60. So what is the value of sin of 60 plus 30? Sin of 60 plus 30. What can you conclude? What can you conclude? Okay, so evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So we need to simplify this one and simplify this one also, whether these are equal or not. If these are equal, we can conclude that those two expressions are equal. If it is not equal, the expressions are not equal. Okay, now solution. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 implies sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 30 value again root 3 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. If we observe the table, we can easily know these values. Root 3 into root 3 3, 2 into 2 4, plus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 plus 1 4 by 4, cancel 1. Next, sin of 60 plus 30. Sin 60 plus 30 equal to 90. Sin 90 equal to 1. So these two values are equal. Therefore, sin 60 plus 30 equal to sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So this is the required solution. And so these two expressions are equal. Next, fourth. Is it right to say that? Is it right to say that? Is it right to say that cos of 60 plus 30? cos of 60 plus 30 equal to cos 60 cos 30 cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So we must decide these two are equal or not. Okay, so first solution, cos of 60 plus 30 equal to cos 60 cos of 60 plus 30 90, cos 90 value 0, cos 90 value 0. So now I am taking right side, cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 equal to cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, sin cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. So numerator 1 into root 3, 2 into 2 4, root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 into 2 4. So these two are same, between minus, so cancel, we will get a 0. Therefore cos of 60 plus 30 equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So these two expressions are equal. This is our conclusion. Okay, next, fifth question. In right angle triangle PQR, right angle triangle PQR, in right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at a Q, right angle is at a Q, right angle is at Q, PQ equals 6 centimeters, PQ equals 6 centimeters, and angle RPQ, and angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees, angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. Determine the length of QR and PR, QR and PR. So we need to find QR and PR. So here right angle triangle PQR is given. PQR is right angle triangle, right angle at a Q. So angle Q equal to 90 degrees, angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. Okay, coming to the solution. First, triangle PQR is a right triangle and right angle at Q, right angle at a Q. So angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees, angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. So I am taking right angle triangle now. So Q R P, this is equal to 60 degrees. Next, this is right angle triangle. Next, so PQ equal to 6 centimeters. PQ equal to 6 centimeters. PQ, this is equal to 6 centimeters. This one is given. Okay, now we need to find out these two sides. Okay, if for this triangle this is adjacent side, we don't know opposite side and hypotenuse. So corresponding to angle P, opposite, what is opposite side? QR. What is adjacent side? PQ. What is hypotenuse? PR. So to find QR, we need to take the relation, trigonometric relation, which containing opposite side. So sin theta containing opposite side, sin P equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. But we don't know opposite and hypotenuse, so it won't be useful. So both we don't know. So in terms of this we need to find. So first, so opposite to this relation, opposite, and this is adjacent. So opposite adjacent relation, tan P equal to opposite by adjacent, tan P equal to 60. Opposite, what is opposite? QR. Adjacent PQ implies tan 60 equal to root 3, QR we don't know. PQ equal to 6. Cross multiplication. QR equal to 6 root 3. So centimeters. We got QR equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Now this is a hypotenuse. This is adjacent relation cos theta. Cos theta, cos P equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60. What is adjacent? Adjacent equal to PQ by hypotenuse is equal to PR. Implies cos 60 value 1 by 2. PQ. PQ equal to how much? PQ 6. PR equal to, we don't know PR. Cross multiplication, PR equal to 6 into 2, 12 centimeters. Therefore, so what we need? PQR, that is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. PR, that is equal to 12 centimeters. So this we need to find. Okay, this is the solution. Next question. Sixth. In triangle XYZ, right angle at Y, in triangle XYZ, right angle at Y, YZ equal to X, and XZ equal to X, then determine angle YXZ and angle YZX. So this angle X, angle Z simply we need. So right angle triangle is given XYZ. In the right angle triangle at Y, we need to find angle X and angle Z. Okay. In right triangle XYZ, right angle at Y. So X, Y, Z, right angle at Y. So and also given that YZ equal to X, XZ equal to X, YZ equal to X, XZ equal to X. These are given. Okay, so we need to find angle X and angle Z. So I am taking corresponding to angle X. I am taking this is theta. Let angle ZXY equal to theta. ZXY or YXZ, both are same. ZXY equal to theta, corresponding to angle theta. Opposite side, what is opposite side? Opposite to theta, YZ equal to X. Adjacent side, what is adjacent side? Adjacent side to theta, XY. This we don't know. So hypotenuse is XZ. This is equal to 2x. Okay, I want to find out theta. So sin, which trigonometric ratio we will choose? This is opposite, this is hypotenuse. The relation between opposite and hypotenuse is sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin theta equal to x, sin x equal to opposite x, hypotenuse 2x, cancel 1 by 2. So sin x equal to 1 by 2. So sin x equal to sin 1 by 2 is 30. So x equal to 30 degrees. So angle x equal to 30 degrees. So sum of angles property, angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 180. Sum of angles of a triangle 180. Angle x 30 plus angle y 90 plus angle z equal to 180. So angle z equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle x is nothing but angle YXZ equal to 30. Angle ZYZX equal to 60 degrees. So this is the required